case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1993 State v. Nastoff case, heard by the Idaho Court of Appeals, set the grounds for establishing the intent, or mens rea, required for malicious injury to property under IC Section 18, 7001. The question posed was this: must the state prove a defendant's specific intent to damage property to establish criminal culpability? The backdrop of this critical precedent was a timber fire on state and private land, the roots of which led back to James P. Nastoff. Nastoff had reportedly been woodcutting in that area right before the fire erupted. A key piece of evidence was a chainsaw found near the fire's origin, altered and in violation of the law, an instrument Nastoff admitted to owning and operating. Initially, the conviction given to Nastoff was for damaging property, but the very bone of contention was the intent aspect. Did Nastoff mean to start the fire that burned the timber, whose value exceeded $1,000? Remarkably, the state did not argue that Nastoff had an intention to ignite the fire. The court overturned the ruling, indicating that the trial court had erred by denying Nastoff's motion for an acquittal. It stated unequivocally that intent to harm is necessary to prove malice, and therefore required for a conviction under IC Section 18, 7001. Negligence or accident was not sufficient. In an interesting turn of events, Nastoff's accusation of prosecutorial misconduct didn't come up for discussion. Given the lack of solid evidence pointing to his guilt, the court reversed the tense order, directing an acquittal order for Nastoff to be entered, thereby relieving him of the charges initially leveled against him.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.